So today I'm gonna be walking y'all through like my kind of chaotic, hectic like morning skincare routine. It's like 11 o'clock, maybe later, I don't know. But I wanted to give like a more realistic, not professional, perfect depiction of what I do for my skincare and my makeup and my hair. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. So I think my camera cut off, but before this, I used this really awesome cleanser from the organic skincare company. I mentioned it in a previous video, but I also used this really awesome tea tree oil cleanser from Trader Joe's. It's one of my favorites. So I'll wash my face thoroughly, rinse it off with some really cold water, and then after that, I just get like my face towel and clean it all off. And then I use this really awesome face mask from Freeman, which is a very affordable little, you know, they make a lot of fun face masks, but I actually like this one. I vouch for it. It helps clear out my pores and just kind of clarify my skin. I don't really have the most sensitive skin in the world, so make sure you're using products that work for your skin type. But yeah, that's me just like putting it on, and then I'm gonna let it dry and work on my hair. These are extensions because if you know me, you know that my real hair type is a very pretty, kinky, curly type of vibe. It's a lot of hair, and it's like 5 different colors right now. So anyway, I have this weave-in right now, and it looks kind of stiff because I slept on it. But again, this is a realistic get it ready with me. I am not perfect, so it is what it is. But anyway, I use my flat iron here just to make some curls. Like, as long as it looks cute in the front for me, then I'm good. I'm probably gonna put a hat on anyway. Yeah, and there's like a piece of lint in my hair. Girl, what the hell? Anyway, let's keep going. So anyway, right here, I'm just clearing up my like leave out, just making sure that it blends in real good. I'm brushing it with a brush, which is so fun and exciting. And my smoke detector is on in the background, so please don't mind me. All right, and so then I am taking the front of my hair and flipping it over and making like little curls in the front, because that's one of my favorite ways to do it. I love this hair, it's really pretty. And then I take my Mist Toner from the Organic Skincare Company and their awesome primer and prime my skin. The foundation I'm using is from Milani. I can give y'all more specifics if y'all want, but I use a darker skin tone, or a darker shade I should say, because it just helps me even out my makeup. I don't know if that's like a makeup thing. Maybe y'all can, makeup gurus, makeup artists out there could tell me why do I do that. I don't know, it works for me though. And then right here, I'm just using this really awesome concealer by LA Colors, which again, another cheap brand, to just kind of like, you know, make the shape of my face or recreate the shape of my face, which I love my face, but yeah, you know, I like to define them cheekbones and whatnot, girl. I look like a Oompa Loompa right here, low-key, but it's still giving though. We're still vibing. Oh my God. I am not a makeup artist. Jesus. What palette I want to use as far as my eyeshadow goes, but I just filled in my eyebrows. I don't really have brows right now, so I did the old school way. I drew the outline and then filled it in with some powder on a really yucky looking palette. I'm not going to show y'all because like, my tried and true palette, it ain't cute, but let's keep going. Okay, so hi. I look like a totally different person. So I'm not going to do lashes today because I don't feel like it, but I did this really cool like design on my eyes. I don't know how to, but I'm just going to pop on our mascara. Nothing too crazy. Said nothing. Alright, we're almost done, I swear. I'm going to do my nails and toes as well, but like, I think that we're just going to finish the video after this because, yeah, this has been a long one. I'm going to use this as a setting. Now I'm going to use this as a setting spray, and it's just what I prefer. And then I'm going to use my little Happy Easter Tutti Frutti Bath & Body Works. I'm currently looking for a new signature scent. I don't know what that's going to be, but whatever. That's the end of this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing Tuesday. And I love you guys so much. See y'all later.